everyone, Kaylee Melissa here, and today I'm going to show you how to get this Wonder Woman inspired makeup look. I picked up all the products in this video from my local Harris Teeter, which is part of the Kroger family of stores, and you can find them at a store near you as well. So that being said, let's get into it. Obviously, we are starting from the very beginning with foundation, and I am going to use the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This lasts up to 24 hours, so you know it's going to make it through whatever like haunted hayride, trick or treat, party, fest you have going on. Now, because we want this to really be a pretty kind of beauty makeup, I'm going to go for the full blush, contour, and highlight, and I'm using a palette from Maybelline for that. So let's follow the steps on the palette. We're going to contour, then blush, and now we highlight. And that's our base. I think it's already looking great. The skin is set, the cheekbones are chiseled and glowing. I'm loving it so far. I want to move on to the eyes, and I really want to continue kind of a gold shimmery beauty moment. So I have this Revlon Color Stay cream eyeshadow in the color Honey. This is a great just golden shimmery shade that we can use as the base for our golden shimmery eyeshadow. And this is just going to go over the center of our lids because that's where we want the shimmer to focus. Now that we have our gold shimmery base, I'm going to be going in with my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using Maybelline The Nudes eyeshadow palette. Let's just go ahead and start with the gold shimmer, shall we? We're going to put that right over top of the gold shimmer eyeshadow we already put down. And now around the gold, I want to go in with a bronze shimmer shade so that we still have a really nice shimmery lid, but we add some dimension to it as well. And now for the crease, we're going to take this matte neutral brown, and we're going to apply that through the crease, focusing on the outside and working in windshield wiper motions. And now that we have this much going on, I want to go ahead and add in our eyeliner because I'm going to be doing a winged line, and then we'll kind of be feathering it out from there, but we have to get the winged liner down first. And for that, I'm going to use my CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus eyeliner. This is in Black Onyx. It is rich, it is pigmented, it is precise, it is what we need for our winged liner. Et voila! Now for just a skosh more drama, I'm going to go in with this dark kind of gray-brown color. I'm actually going to mix it a little bit with this dark brown that we used earlier, and I'm going to really deepen up the outer V, which is where the liner meets your crease, and just really accentuate the smokiness there. And I think the final touch for this eye look is to smoke out under the lid just a little bit, and I'm going to be doing that with a shimmery bronzy shade. Now that the drama and shimmer have been achieved, I think it's definitely time for some mascara, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. This is going to be great for getting that really dramatic lash to go with our dramatic eyes. And then I'm going to use the leftover on my brush to hit the bottom lashes. We are getting so close. I'm going to do my brows really quick, and then we can hit the lips and the crown. And now for our signature Wonder Woman red lip color, I'm using this Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color in the shade HD Passion. These are super pigmented and super smooth. A little bit goes a very long way. And now for our finishing touch, I'm going to add a crown shape to my forehead to kind of mimic what she had going on in the original comics. So I'm going to go back in with my CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus eyeliner to create the shape. What I'm going to do is create little dots to outline the shape, and then I'm going to go in and commit to the shape. I have intense focus going on right now. So I'm going back in with that Revlon Color Stay cream eyeshadow from before, and we're going to fill in this whole area. And now for extra metallic goodness, we're going to go over this with some gold eyeshadow that we used before to really set everything in place and get that shimmer really beaming. Now back to our own superhero, the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus eyeliner. We're going to go in and deepen up this line to make sure that it looks really nice and full coverage all the way around. And finally, to follow that pattern and setting everything in place, I'm going to use this matte black eyeshadow from that nudes palette that we've been using for this whole look, and just set everything on the forehead to make sure everything is staying in place. And there is your Wonder Woman inspired makeup look. You can finish it off with your costume, maybe some loose curls, and you're ready to go. I think this is such a beautiful look that could obviously translate really well into normal life as well. Maybe lose the crown and maybe a more subtle lip, but the eyes and the skin are gorgeous, and the products I used, top notch. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to check out one of your local Kroger family of stores to get your Halloween makeup all set to go. I hope you guys have a fantastic and fun Halloween. Mwah! Bye!